Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Um, Welcome to my channel. And today I wanted to play with these dies. I don't know where I got this die from. Probably from KS Crafts or Allie, maybe. I don't have the packaging, so I can't really tell you where I got it. But I had to play with it. So let me show you the first one I did. So I did a 2-layer cake. This is the base of the cake, and what I did was I cut it out twice, one in white and one in pink. And then I cut it in half, um, and layered it together. And then I cut this out twice to make the drippings. I cut out the base. I don't know how many times did I cut it out? 3 times because I wanted this decorative, and what I did was I just cut a little scallop here, so there's an extra piece of this, so it would show the little scallop in front of the vellum, and then I cut the vellum from this piece and also the background. So this is like a piece of vellum I've had in my stash forever. It has teeny tiny polka dots on it. And then I cut another piece to go in the back to finish it off. You could, you know, add this to a birthday card or something like that. I think that would be adorable. And then this little heart is a cutout here. So this cuts out, and then I added it to the top of the, I don't know, what do you call it? A cake cover? You know what? I don't know what you call these. Um, anyway, if you know what they're called, put it in the comments because I can't remember. Um, it just turned out really sweet. I'm definitely going to put this on a birthday card. And then I made the macarons. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Same concept, you know. I cut these out 3 times because it's like this, and I didn't take them apart. So I just cut them out of 3 colors, you know, pink, white, and brown. And then I, you know, switched up the icing or whatever cream that is or whatever. I just think it looks so adorable. Same thing with the cover. This is of the vellum. Added the heart to the top. Made the scallop so it looks like, you know, it's in the display case, I guess. I don't know what they're called, but or I don't know what they're called. I can't remember. But I just thought they were adorable. I had to make them. So yeah. So that is my make for today. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. You can you tap on that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.